with Mrs. HT. We are still talking about the global convergence. The global convergence was when ideas, goods, religion, all moved around the world at the same time, and everything in our development moved faster, and people from all over the world interacted with each other and exchanged these ideas and goods. Our I Can statement for today is, I can describe the role that Malacca played as a trading post and explain the importance of trading posts during the global convergence. Materials you need for this lesson: Handout 2.1, a case study of Malacca; Handout 2.2, map activity and questions about Malacca; a notebook, a writing utensil, including colored pencils or pens for your map activity. Please be mindful that Handout 2.1, a case study of Malacca, is a class copy. Please don't write on this copy. We need to save this copy to save paper. Background information. Malacca was a busy entrepot, that means trading post, with a diverse merchant community, including Arabs, Persians, Chinese, Gujaratis, Malays, East Africans. All these people participated in trade networks from about 1400 to 1800. Its location on the water made it a strategic place for trading goods throughout Afro-Eurasia. It serves as an example for how ideas, goods, technology, and religions came together or converged when people met to conduct business at ports. Here are some interpretations of Malacca, pictures that were drawn. We can see that Malacca was an important place for its location. Because of its location in the water, many countries were able to converge and come together to exchange goods. When people would come to these ports, they'd see people that were not from where they're usually from, that spoke different languages, that dressed differently, that carried themselves differently. It was a truly international community at these ports, and Malacca is a prime example of what these places would look like, where people would come to trade and do business. Here are some of the routes that people would take. Trading ports are always located on the edge of land at an optimal spot to stop and then continue around the continent to the next place. In the bottom right hand of the screen, where you see Asian route marked in red arrow, you see the Strait of Malacca circled there. So because Malacca is located in an island in between different pieces of land, people could move easily in between that water to get to throughout the continent of Asia. Here's what you need to do. After you're done watching this video, read Handout 2.1 thoroughly. After reading, begin mapping and answering the questions on Handout 2.2. Paste your complete map with trading posts in your notebook. Once you've completed watching this video, you've read the first handout, and you've completed the assignment on Handout 2.2, which is your mapping, then you have completed this lesson.